In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find trending questions on Quora. If you use Quora to grow your audience, share expertise, or get content ideas, knowing what's currently trending is incredibly valuable. I'll walk you through a simple process you can repeat anytime you want fresh, in-demand questions to answer. First, open your browser and go to the Quora website. If you're not already logged in, sign into your account so that Quora can personalize what you see based on your interests and the topics you follow. Once you're in, you'll land on your main Quora dashboard. This is the home feed where you normally see questions, answers, and suggestions tailored to you. Next, use the search bar at the top of the page to look for high interest topics. Think of broad, highly discussed areas like artificial intelligence, Bitcoin, or politics. You can also choose any niche that's relevant to you as long as it attracts a lot of attention. Type your chosen topic into the search bar and hit enter. Quora will load a topic page with related questions, spaces, and content. On that topic page, look for the answer section. Usually there's an answer tab or a link labeled answer near the top navigation or within the topic area. Click on that. This is where things get interesting. The answer page is designed to show you questions that are popular and that Quora believes still need more input. These are often questions that many people are viewing, following, or requesting answers to, but that may not yet have comprehensive responses. Scroll through this list and pay attention to questions that have a high number of followers or recent activity. These are great candidates if you want to tap into trending conversations. You also have another powerful way to spot trends. On the same topic page, look for an option that mentions most viewed writers for that topic and click it. This will show you writers who consistently get a lot of views in that specific niche. Now, click into some of these top writers' profiles. Once you're on a writer's page, browse the questions they've answered, especially those with high view counts or many upvotes. These questions are strong signals of what people are actively interested in. By studying the topics and angles they focus on, you can quickly identify trending questions to answer yourself or use as inspiration for your own content.